Good morning. Thank you for tuning into your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, December 6th. Seeing some partly to perhaps mostly cloudy skies out there and chilly temperatures. We do anticipate this to continue throughout the day today, and then we're going to continue to see these chilly temperatures persist through the end of the week and into the weekend. Taking a look at high temperatures across the area yesterday, Wallops was actually the warm spot, but still only up to 44 degrees, which is about 8 to 10 degrees below average for this time of year. Other locations saw temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s for their highs yesterday. Lows this morning also chilly across the region in the low to upper 20s. Here at Wallops we got down to 28. Did see some spotty snow showers down near the Tidewater yesterday, about a 5/100th of an inch of precipitable water accumulation down there. Didn't see any of that make it up here though, unfortunately. As of 9 a.m. we are seeing another cold start to the day. Wide-ranging temperatures in the mid-30s for the mid-Atlantic, all the way up to 40 already in Pax River as of 9 a.m. Taking a look at our upper level winds today, we are seeing some very light westerly winds at the surface this morning, and just above the surface those winds were shift more northwesterly around 25 knots all the way up to the 6,000 foot level, increasing to 40 knots between 9 and 12,000 feet, then becoming 50 knots at 16,000 feet, still from the northwest, then becoming west-northwesterly at the upper levels near 25,000 feet, just a few knots shy of 100 knots. Freezing level this morning was, of course, at the surface. Taking a look at our satellite radar loop here, just seeing some upper level clouds. We have seen some lower level clouds pop up in the last hour near about 3,000 to 3,500 feet. Winds were rather calm this morning. That helped drop those lows down into the mid-20s across the region this morning, and we have seen those winds start to pick up here in the last half hour or so from the west, running around 7 to 12 knots here at Wallops. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we have high pressure dominating the southeastern portions of the United States this morning. That'll continue to be the case as we go throughout the day. Going to get a very weak upper level shortwave crossing the area tonight, and that's not really going to do much to us weather-wise. Maybe give us an uptick in our a slight uptick in our winds as we go tonight, helping to keep temperatures a little bit more elevated for our low tomorrow, and then we're going to get another reinforcing shot of colder air as we go into tomorrow and into the early parts of the weekend. So taking a look at our forecast charts here, you see that weak cold front there across the Ohio Valley, and that's going to continue to make its way forward. We're going to have that high pressure remaining south of the area, keeping our winds more westerly today, and then we'll see those winds increase a little bit early this afternoon before weakening just a tad as we go to the overnight hours, and then they'll be switching northwesterly as we go into tomorrow morning. As we go into tomorrow morning, we're going to see that weak cold front move across the area. Like I said, not going to really be seeing any impacts here. Maybe a slight uptick in cloudiness Friday morning, but then we'll see those clouds really clear out as we go into the Friday afternoon time frame. It's going to be another chilly day tomorrow with that reinforcing shot of cold air with high pressure building in tomorrow afternoon and evening, and then by Saturday morning high pressure will be over the area, giving us some mostly clear skies and calm winds for another cold morning for Saturday morning. Then as we go into a Saturday afternoon, high pressure still in control. It's going to be there's going to be a rather cold air mass in place for Saturday, so looking at a very cold day on Saturday. Temperature is struggling to get even into the upper 30s across the region by Saturday afternoon. And then we have our next potential weather maker, as you can see there along the Gulf Coast, starting to move eastward along the area. Still a lot of questions though about the strength and how far north that system is going to make it, which we'll be talking about here in a couple minutes. Taking a look at our weather chart real fast for today, going to be looking at a chilly high of 44 this afternoon. Winds are going to pick up a little bit as we go towards the late morning hours into the afternoon, seeing the max out around 8 to 13 knots with slightly higher gusts from the west-northwest. Then those winds will shift southwesterly overnight, becoming 6 to 11 knots. That'll help to keep those temperatures from getting too cold tonight, only expecting a low of 34 by Friday morning, and then by mid-morning Friday we'll see those winds become northwesterly around 3 to 8 knots. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we have seen a few clouds near 3,500 feet pop up, and that'll be the case throughout the day. Going to be seeing a deck near 18,000 feet creep into the area in the mid-afternoon hours with a continued upper-level cirrus deck near 25,000 feet. Just some thin cirrus expected That'll continue through the evening hours, and then tonight going to be seeing just a few clouds around 5,000 feet scattered at 10,000, and that continued scatter to broken cirrus deck, and to mid-morning Friday, just expecting a few at 5, scattered at around 8,500, and the broken thin cirrus deck at 25,000 feet. Still seeing our tides out there just a little bit above normal. For tomorrow, going to be looking at a partly cloudy day. We'll see those clouds slowly decrease throughout the day as high pressure builds in, giving us another cold high tomorrow, 45 degrees. Tomorrow night, the high pressure should be in control of the area, giving us a mostly clear skies and calmer winds, so it's going to be a very chilly low across the region here at Wallops, expecting a low of 25, possibly seeing that low near 20 degrees across interior portions of the Delmarva. Then Saturday, with that cold air mass locked into place, going to be seeing a partly sunny day. Looks like we are going to be seeing a good amount of upper level cirrus clouds on Saturday, so that'll help prevent too much sunshine, which will contribute to a very chilly high of only 39 degrees. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, looks like we're going to continue these chilly temperatures through the extended outlook, running around 5 to 10 degrees below normal. We are going to be seeing the coldest day, like I had said, on Saturday, with that cold air mass locked in place around 39. And then Sunday does look to be dry for most of the day, even though it's only a few days out for the system to approach us. Still seeing a lot of variability in our weather models with this system that's going to be coming up from the Gulf. It does look like it's starting to trend that the system will remain farther south than originally projected here, and we are going to be seeing still looking like a chance of rain late in the evening Sunday, late in the afternoon or evening Sunday. It's going to be pretty light though when it does reach the Wallops area, but still a chance that a Wallops might just be the northern extent of any rainfall we might see, but still looking at a chilly day for Sunday in the low 40s. Monday, we're still going to be seeing that system lingering around. Looks like with its slightly far, with the track of it remaining slightly farther south. Looks like rain will be, we'll see a chance of rain in the AM hours of Monday, with that rain clearing out by the afternoon. Still looking at a cold day though, as that cooler air remains in place with a weak high to the north, with a high of 47 for Monday. Then Tuesday we'll have some cooler high pressure building back into the area. That'll help to clear out any clouds. Still looking at perhaps a mostly cloudy day on Tuesday, with that chilly high of 43 as we get some colder northwesterly winds behind that system. And then Wednesday we'll start to see some high pressure build in, helping to clear out those clouds, with giving us a partly cloudy day with still another chilly day with a high of 46. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a wonderful day.